Alright, we're over here at
Maho Beach.
Maho Beach, famous for the airport being next to the beach, basically.
And then the place just fly, like on top.
And you're like wondering like, how close are these planes? I'm like, they're pretty close.
The plane gonna crash on us?
Like how close?
Maybe.
Well, let's see. I'll show you guys how close this plane is. Check this out. Alright, so this is our first day, fourth day, here in Saint Maarten. And we just got off the ship. Look how big this ship is. And like we're next to another Royal Caribbean. It's like huge. So we're headed over to get some towels, and then we'll be good. So we're gonna see what's going on.
So they allow you to take the towels, and then you just come back with it, so that you don't have, laundry wet towels.
Yeah, you gotta make sure you bring it back, and it's like 25 bucks. But yeah, I mean, oh my god, this place is amazing.
We don't really know what we're doing, so we're just figuring it out. And here's our ship.
Adventures right next door. Adventure of the Sea and Harmony of the Sea. Harmony of the Sea is the second largest ship in the world.
Yeah. So here we
brought our backpack. The Articon backpack. Yeah.
But look at this. This is our first day on land.
Oh, and I also got the new GoPro 7, black, and we got the El Grande stick because, you never know. But yeah, let's see what we can get.
We ended up just taking a water taxi, and we'll see where it takes us.
Yeah, because we were going to take a tour over here, but like, I think they had to group more people up, and it was like, it's almost the same price as if we went to Royal Caribbean. So we're like, let's just see what's in town and go from there. So we'll see. Finally on the other side. We just took this little sea taxi thing.
It's pretty fun because they have drinks, they have music.
All in that small ride. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I mean, so here we are in Saint Maarten. Look at this, it's so beautiful. Oh my god. And we've been here before, like a long time, like 7 years ago.
7 years.
So it's pretty cool to have it, to see it again. It's different. It looks a lot different.
Yeah, it looks a lot different. I think because it's after like the hurricane or something.
Yeah.
And now they redid it, like very fast too.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, let's check out what it has to offer. So we're over here booking our tour right now. Got a pretty good deal compared to the ship. The ship's like ridiculous, but I mean we got just me and Aaron's private tour for only like $100. So it's like,
yeah, that's
it's a
really
couple hour
because
tour.
In the ship it's like $100 and there's like a lot of you.
Yeah, so yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, so we just ate here in Andrew.
Yeah, it's a cool little spot. I don't know if you can see it, but he's the owner right here. He's right here somewhere. But yeah, it's fish and chips. Oh man, it's like the best. It's like the best fish I've ever had.
Yeah, and then we're waiting for a tour.
Friendly Island tours.
Yeah. One tip: when you come here, sunblock, and like maybe bring a hat.
Yeah, definitely, and don't wear black like I'm doing. I'm crazy. To hit up the sound tour, and we'll see you guys in a bit. for the bigger ones. Alright, we're over here at
Maho Beach.
Maho Beach, it's famous for the airport being next to the beach, basically.
And then the planes just fly like on top.
And you're like wondering like, how close are these planes? I'm like, they're pretty close.
The plane is a crash on us.
Like how close?
Maybe.
Well, let's see. I'll show you guys how close this plane is. Check this out. So we just finished our island tour with John, and yeah, it was pretty cool. We just rode around in a van, checked out some sights, and now we're here at the street, back kind of like where it's like the main area. Yeah, I think we had a good time. Hey, there's a casino.
Casino here.
All right, Elaine's already sleeping.
Because I had some guava berries and alcohol makes me sleepy.
Yeah, so we'll probably head back. All right, see ya. All right, man. Yeah. All right, so we finally finished our little outing here in Saint Maarten and headed back to the ship. Yeah, that and I'm getting hungry.
You're getting hungry? Yeah, and maybe grab a quick bite.
Yeah, but I'm definitely gonna miss this place because it's pretty nice.
Maybe we'll come back and we'll stay here a little bit longer.
Yeah, maybe. Like lady suggested like a week. And I'm like, yeah, that sounds about good. Like tour the Bahamas. But yeah, like now we're just gonna enjoy the view.
How do you like the difference between epic
Thank you.
All right, so we just finished. What day is this? I don't even know.
Day 4.
Day 4.
Yeah.
And man, we're so tired.
Yeah, we're so full. Dinner is amazing.
Yeah, Saint Maarten was amazing.
But we want to rest early today because we have to wake up really early because all aboard is 1:30.
Yeah, so tomorrow is super early, so
it's just half day. We're in port for just half day.
yeah, so that's all we're doing. we're just gonna go
Walk around.
just walk around, walk off with all the food we ate. There's like they're setting up for something over here, so let's go check this out before we sleep. But yeah, see you on the next day. Good job! Yep.
Yeah, so we came from the Caribbean party, and when we got home, look at what our housekeeper gave us.
It's like a little
So
seal.
cool. It's so cool.
We put our planners and everything.
Howard is really.
Hey, Howard's the main one.